BYPHAR is our new biopharma specialized portfolio of raw materials suitable for all biopharmaceutical manufacturing stages.
We support our customers from early development all the way to commercial manufacturing.
The new portfolio is structured into 3 categories: Explore for R&D and early stage development, Enhance for moderate risk applications, and Excel for high risk manufacturing processes.
BYPHAR includes a comprehensive product portfolio with specialized endotoxin and bioburden testing for biopharmaceutical processing.
For us, BYPHAR means quality assurance you can truly rely on, especially our Excel and Enhance ranges, which are manufactured under IPAC GMP guidelines.
We provide complete audit-ready documentation that accelerates qualification and reduces regulatory burden.
It is suitable for all biopharmaceutical processes, including MAPs, cell and gene therapy, recombinant proteins, vaccines, and ADC modalities.
Our reliable global GDP warehouse network ensures faster lead times and consistent availability locally.
In our Pharma GMP Hub, we tailor solutions to meet our customer requirements.
As a truly global brand, BYPHAR is available to customers and partners across EMEA, LATAM, North America, and APAC.
We work closely with our customers as partners, not just suppliers.
This is BYPHAR, and we are your biopharma experts at Brenntag, and BYPHAR more than we think.